we have a question in memory mapped IO dash. So options are the IO devices and the memory share the same address space. Option B, the IO devices have a separate address space. Option C, the memory and IO devices have an associated address space. And option D, a part of the memory is specially set aside for IO operation. So as we know, we have two techniques for address IO devices by CPU. One technique's name is isolated IO or IO mapped IO, and technique 2 is memory mapped IO. In isolated IO, we have two separate address space. One address space for the memory location and one address space for the IO devices. So hence we have two control line also. In case of memory mapped IO, we have only one address space, and that address space is shared between memory location and IO devices. You can see a picture that where here we have memory and IO, and both are connected using same address bus. So here the address bus is shared. So here the right answer is A, the IO device and the memory share the same address space.